Okay, Sbahle, let me reply to you because I see you shared a picture where someone posted on Facebook and said, Uguti, those were the MK people there, when they did not join Dudula, they were protesting for service delivery. Wara, 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 wara. So I'm gonna bring you information now that you don't know, because first of all, the person who was leading the MK, the protest, he has actually commented on him joining Dudula. Nhlamulo Ndlela, the spokesperson of the MK, has been asked to comment. And when Nhlamulo said, okay, fine, he's going to refer the people who are going to comment, he's going to refer them to the convener of Eastern Cape, who commented and said, this is not what MK stands for. They go against what umangwangana umarhwangana ha gra gre gre gro gro a hwa ngwa umaqhwangana qwangana. I think umaqhwaqwana. I think umaqhwaqwana actually. Umaqhwaqwana is the one who was leading the protest and leading the MK people who joined Ududul. So the Unhlamulo was asked to comment. Unhlamulo what okay fine, and I think Unhlamulo did a good thing by referring to the Eastern Cape convener, because Unhlamulo is not there, and for Umzekelo he was in Ghana. He really doesn't know what's happening. Then the MK provincial leader Umawande Ndakisa confirmed that Uma Gwangana spoke at the protest. He added that they weren't sanctions to utter those words. So uMagwanana lo, he spoke at the protest. Wathethe izinto abantu base Transkei, they must go back. So uthi ke ngoku provincial leader we MK Umawande Dakisa uthi ubana they were not abathunywanga mama bathethe izinto bazithethileyo, but uthi ke we are immensely disturbed by the content because it does not reflect the character and the political posture of the organization, which seeks to unite all Africans. It can't be that President Zuma is moving around the continent trying to unite Africans, then back at home a member of the MK is found sending message that is contrary to the organization or to what the organization stands for. Then it municipal boundaries, skin color, ethnicity don't define who we are as people in the province. Any view that is contrary is against the organization. So the journalist asked if uMagwanana lo will he be charged with MK for what he has done. Yabon, and apparently he's a former mayor. Then what the convener MK Eastern Cape, a reprimand is inevitable. He will have to apologize for those people. Any other action might be taken if he refuses to apologize. Literam is an apology enough now for Umtu, who has brought the organization into disrepute, going around telling abantu base Eastern Cape ukuthi mababuyele back eTranskei. So ithi ke ngoku spokesperson ukuthi kodwa maka apologize. Apologizing is not enough. So I'm answering you ke wena Sibahle undithathele screenshot. Now I'm talking about the real things here. So what he said, this guy and him being honestly being told to ukuthi maka apologize, that is not enough. So what he actually said is it says here in the video, uMagwanane lo was addressing a small crowd through a loud hailer, saying what is important is that as the people of Amahlati, we are tired of being under foreigners. It would be like we have hatred for Transkei, but we don't hate it. However, the people of Transkei from this municipality have given us bad experience. Mabahambe, they must go. So utabantu base Transkei, they've given them a bad experience, they must go. Go where? Son? So again, it goes back to London and Itera that the MK, you don't know your own constitution. You don't know what your organization stands for. That's why you go around doing things that your party don't support, and then your party doesn't have a backbone to discipline people who go around doing things that they're not supposed to be doing, bringing the name of the organization into bad light and into disrepute. You're saying they must apologize. Why? Imagine someone doing that. So yeah, anyway, yeah, I mean, I couldn't care less.